Chest supported front raise is a lot harder than a standing front raise, so go lighter than what you would normally do. This allows you to really focus on the shoulders. Key thing here is you want your hips, back, and neck to be all in line. You don't want to arch your low back, you don't want to crank your neck. So look about 2 feet in front of the bench so that you are keeping your neck in line. When you're raising the dumbbells, you're going to go out about a 45-degree angle with your thumbs up and then raising them back down. If you are getting any grind in your shoulder, it could be that you're rounding your shoulder. So maybe raise your bench up so you're more upright until your shoulders get stronger. One little tip, if I have a lot of stress in my neck from the week, I will often slide down a little bit on the bench and rest my chin on the top of the bench to help me keep it in line. Sometimes we carry a lot of the stress in our neck and it's just really hard to focus more on the shoulders than feeling it in your traps and your upper back. And that will kind of help you focus more on the shoulders. On days that you are feeling a lot of stress in your neck, go very, very light. If you don't have anything lighter than a 5-pound dumbbell, even grab a 2.5-pound plate and hold it in your hands, or even just using your hands and really focusing on those shoulders.